Hi everyone. I'm so happy that you have joined our Introduction to 3D Printing and Design class. But there's a little bit of homework I need you to accomplish before we meet for our session. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create an account in Tinkercad. If you already have an account, that is fine. I just need you to then use the class code in the email that I have sent to you. So it has the Tinkercad class link. You can just click that and then log into your Tinkercad account. For everyone else, I want you to follow along with me. So we're going to go to tinkercad.com. And once we are here, you can either click on the link that I sent you to join class, but I honestly find that link harder to use when you have to sign up. So we're going to come up here where it says sign up, and we're going to click it. And you are going to be students joining a class, or you can create it in a personal account. You can do it this way. I just find it easier to use the create a personal account. So you can sign in directly with Google or with Apple or with Microsoft or with Facebook. There's lots of options if you already have accounts in any of these locations. Or you can just sign up with an email if you prefer to do it that way and not have it linked to everything else. So I'm going to use that way. And so they do need a little bit of personal information because there are certain privacy rules for anyone under the age of 13. So just fill in all of your information here. So then you can put in your email address and a password. And then you have to agree to their terms and conditions. I already have this email address done, but if you don't, that's better for you. I'm going to actually use another one that we have. All right. And then I'm going to create an account. I'm not going to save mine. Don't worry about that. So now I have to go to my email and I have to say, yes, that's me before you get full permissions. So now when you click on that email I sent you and you say join class, I'm going to just paste that into a new tab. So here's my profile. That's me. And so it's going to add you to this April 2024 class that we have for our Introduction to 3D Printing and Design. That's as simple as it is. If you have more problems or if you run into any issues, please contact me via the email that I sent you and I will get back to you. I also included in that email, sorry, that's Teams, not Outlook. I also gave you this submit your prints link. So this is a link that you just want to be able to utilize for our class as well. So you can submit the prints you make. So I can't wait to see you there, and ta-ta for now.